Hey everyone. So I've just finished another week at Lambda. This week we worked on an Instagram clone. This was real fun. Um, it goes along with me like making practical things. So I saw a lot of uses in this because a lot of stuff that makes up Instagram, we can use that over and over again in other projects. So I'll basically go through kind of show you what this does, what I've got done so far, because we're not done with this project yet, but this one's broken up into stages. Instead of us doing multiple mini projects throughout the sprint, we're just working on the Instagram clone this time. So, as you can see, you got posts here, we got a search bar. This does work. So if I search for a user, it'll pull up posts by that user, clear that out, resets it. We scroll down, I can like posts, where it'll change the icon and update the like state. Got a little comment section here where we can add a comment. Where I don't have any kind of sign-in function or anything, I just set up the default to be anonymous. But it holds that comment, and it is stored both in state and in local storage. So when I come back, it's still there. But if I want to, I can delete that comment, which updates once again both the state and local storage to have it gone. So that's the basics of this project here. Just got the 3 posts that's given to us in a JSON file. So we basically import that and go through and get the data we need to render these out as individual components of a class. Class components, very important to remember those things. This week, what we talked about, what we learned was basically about creating a boilerplate with Create React App. So going that route, setting up our projects that way, going through the files that it gives you, and what all of those do. We talked about the React lifestyle cycle, where we talked about the different methods, where we also talked about the React lifecycle methods, like render, and the constructor is one of those. Component did mount, which is very useful. A lot of problems I had in the sprint before was due to my lack of knowledge about these lifecycle methods and trying to update state in render, where I created just a lovely infinite loop. But all that aside, that basically sums this up. Not a terribly exciting week, but where I was going to start doing these over the course of the 2-week sprint. We're on winter break now, so I'm actually out of class until January 7th, so this will be the last one of these I'll do for a minute. But there is going to be a Lambda hackathon, and it's looking like I'm going to be able to participate in it, so I'll keep you updated on that, and obviously if I do, I'll make some kind of video about that, what it was like and how we did, and maybe even show the project if the team's cool with that. So thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one.